Can you all see yourselves? Now we shall begin. We shall begin with the presentations. Okay, and I will take the name and the child will be, yes, okay, Yashmit. And the child will start presenting his story as per the map headings. Okay, so the first person to present the story will be Yashmit Sinha. Begin. Is it done, Yashmit? Okay, so what is the moral of the story map? Is there any moral? Yeah, Gopal won the challenge, right? And now you work out on the moral. What message is this story giving to the readers? Can there be a message from this story? Yes. What it can be? Okay. I guess the moral can also be that whenever any such difficult situation come before you, so you need not to panic. You can always have a solution for any tricky situation in life. Yes or no? All right, all right. So that was Yashmit, and now I would like Astha Mishra from class 7B to present her story map. Is Astha here? Astha Mishra. Okay. Now the next presenter will be Ankit Kumar Swain. Okay. So that was Ankit Kumar Swain. And now we have, okay, now Abhinav, would you like to present your story? Come here. Abhinav Mishra from class 7th B.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Abhinav Mishra. I study in class 7th B. I am from Greenhouse, and my topic is the Joy Simpson and Simon Yates climb. In June 1985, two British mountaineers.
स्टोरी मैप आपको इसका अप्लाई करना है. आपने सुना अपने फ्रेंड्स को? Like they may begin, the title of the story is this, the characters are this, plots are this happened, this happened, this happened, this happened, and next this happened. Alright, this way.
Characters: Joy Simpson and Simon Yates. Plot 1. In June 1985, two British mountaineers, Joy Simpson and Simon Yates, made the first ever climb of the west face of 21,000-foot snow-covered Suila Grande mountain in Peru. It was an exceptionally tough assault, but nothing compared to what was to come. Early in the descent, Simpson fell and smashed his right knee. Yates could have abandoned him, but managed to find a way of lowering him down the mountain in a series of difficult drops, blinded by snow and cold. Then Simpson fell into a crevasse, and Yates eventually had no choice but to cut the rope. Adler, convinced that his friend was now dead. In his subsequent book on the climb entitled Touching the Void, Joy Simpson wrote, Plot 2. As I gazed at the distant mornings that I knew I must at least try, I would probably die out there amid those boulders.
Okay, Abhinav, I think your story seems to be a bit long. So, can you tell us what is the moral of the story?
We should at least try.
Okay, so whatever is the task, and if it is such that you have never tried it before and it is almost appearing like, oh, it can be very difficult for me, but you should always take a chance, you should give it your shot, right? So that was Abhinav from 7B, and now I would like to have Bhavishya from 7th A. Okay, Bhavish, who is your favorite character from the story? Okay, why? So I got it. I got it. So what can be the moral from this story, Bhavish? All right, all right. Thank you. Well said, and well chosen story. And the moral is also very everlasting. It is applicable in like any stage of life, whether you're an old man, you're young, you're middle aged, you're a child, you're an infant, you're a teenage, you should work hard. Nothing comes easy, right? So now the next presenter before us is Rudra Shukla. Okay, Rudra, as Yashmit has already presented a story map on this, so I would like to know who is your favorite character from this story? Gopal. Okay, and why not the king? Exactly. I want you to focus on the character of king. And obviously, people will prefer Gopal. Gopal was Gopal. Gopal was just like Birbal. Akbar's Akbar's right hand Birbal. है ना? The man behind all the decisions, the legal advisor, the so wise advisor. So definitely preferring Gopal is so easy, but why not the king? What features do you think king has that he should work upon or that you did not find good? Ma'am, the king was okay. So the king was angry, he was very controlling, and he would shout and yell at people without even thinking that what could be the reason. Just because he was getting frustrated, he too was taking out his anger on other people, right? Okay, okay. Thank you, Rudra. That was Rudra Shukla, and now I would like to invite uh, Swati Devi. Swati Devi, a girl with two pleats, wearing white full shirt. Is she Swati Devi? Yes, Swati, say. Are you ready? Are you ready with your story map? Okay, fine. Prepare it. I'm coming to you shortly. Okay, now the next person is Aditya Dubey. Aditya, can you place your mic a bit away from your mouth? आवाज बहुत ज़्यादा it is colliding. तो वो साफ सुनाई नहीं दे रही है. Yes.